No? Okay guys, so nandito kami sa American Grand National at magkakaroon dito ng auction. Okay, so I'm with 50 caliber loft and JMC loft. Tsaka kasama ko si Top Gun. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo kung ano makikita nyo dito. Let's go. So magdadala muna kami ng ibon. The drop off muna namin no? Nakita mo naman yan, ang combined champion namin, no? Top Gun, no? Nakita nyo naman, Top Gun Loft. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Fully loaded naman si Skyloft. Ayan. Lahat yan, puro Skyloft yan. Okay, so ayan, no? Anong band number niya?
What's the team name gonna be on this one?
Skyloft. Yeah, it's Skyloft.
That's his original. Okay, that's why I got confused because last year we had Sky.
Ito naman ay ibon ni Batang Tondo. So papasok din natin to, ayan, no? So, ayan. Let's go, guys.
36. Oh, Tim's okay? Remember I called.
Oh, you did?
Yep. Okay, bring him. Coop. Oh, Splash. Hey, Reggie. Get that again. Get that one.
Ayan, pakita mo. Ito yung kay
So how many gonna be in that team? That's the same team, Skyloft?
Yeah.
Alright, bring him on over here. 35698.
This is Jets 2026.
You know.
22606.
22606.
Another one. You guys like these white ones, huh?
Where's the takeaway, Jerry?
And that's Sir Tim Perry from American Grand National. One love race. Okay, so balik na kami. Naipasok na namin ibon nila. Bahala na sila mag-usap-usap kung ano man yun. So ito yung mga auction bird dito. Kung nagpunta kayo dito, makikita dito ng mga ibon. Ayan, Vegas hen. Tapos meron ditong Steve King. Meron ditong Shoemaker Genetics. And then Paco. Meron ding mga dropper dito. Okay? Ayan, gagandang itsurang ibon. Pwedeng laruan. Ito maganda, kulay team. Cute. Ayan. So ito. Ito yata yung brown bag na tinatawag nila. So yan. So sa lahat ng gustong mag-join ay ayan. Ayan yan. Kayo yung kaibigan ni ano dati, di ba? Jagger ka mo. So ayan. And of course, Brock Perry. Invite them again to your AGN.
Everybody join the AGN this year for 2026 season. It's going to be an amazing season. Right now we have about 1,062 birds reserved. It's been an amazing intake period, a lot of support this year. If you're looking for a great race, a lot of transparency, videos every single week. Every Friday you get an update. On Sunday you get to know how many birds are in the loft. We'll be doing lives of the races, of the basketing. It's going to be a good time. We have an amazing event. 2026 is going to be an amazing year, and I hope we see you guys here. Thanks.
Thank you. And meron din silang store dito. Ayun, Perry's Loft Essential. So kung gusto niyo bumili, ayan lang. perryslofessential.com. So lahat nandito na. Ayan.
Tangina mo lang tayo magbibigay.
So ito yung dapat ito yung shampoo ni Skyloft. Ito yung ginagamit ni Skyloft. Ayan. Spray on. So konti na lang yung mga ibon na nandito, guys. Kung gusto niyo mag-auction sana, ayan, nagpunta kayo. Okay, so nakabili kami ng crate, sulit na. Makakain kami ng lunch. Tapos ibibili namin siya ng bakuna mamaya. Okay. So shoutout sa inyo lahat. Alam niyo na, ha? Tatawa ka na.
So we'll see how it works out. And there's rules and so forth. He has the feeders out there. If you haven't visited him, the feeders over there, they're like
Ba? Jagger. Congratulations, Jagger. Woohoo! Jagger Love. Ayun. Woohoo! Kuyang Sim. Combine winner.
You're welcome.
Next winner, Herrera Lot, Carlos Herrera from Benfica.
Oh. Yung pala si Carlos Herrera.
Stand and show that the Goldberg, Fraser Lot, and Mark Fraser, and he earned his first combine win at Beach House. Top gun Lot.
Yo! Yo! Yuhu! Yan oh! Si Boy oh!
First combine winner Goldberg from Williams, California, and then earned another first place from Beach House.
Yun oh! Yari na kayo kay Boy. Boy, harap mo naman dito yung Boy. Congratulations! Grisel. Kuya Pat oh, si Kuya Pat. Yan yung mga galing. Yan, nalo ng combine. Yan. Okay guys, so yan yung mga nanalo sa combine. Siyempre, proud na proud tayo sa kasama natin. Ayun, no? Top Gun Lock. Ayun, no?
Pakibura nila itong isa.
Ayan, buburahin na lang daw natin yun.
Wala yan. Champa lang to, champa.
Yun. Tsaka siyempre, yun, pang isang kasama natin. Yan. Kuyang Sim. Yan o, may libre pang ballpen, no? Ano nakalagay? Yun nga naman, no? Ayan, no? Halo. So, merong paraffle, auctions. Ayan na, nandyan na lahat. Okay. Alam niyo na, next time, attend na kayo. Saya. Meron pang soda, pagkain and everything. Good luck!